Baby cleaning is a normal procedure whenever baby delivered. Her or his body have a lot of things, and usually we are using glycerine or some other oils which we are applying to the whole body of the baby, and after that we are going to dry it with the gauze piece or sterile cloth. And the video you are seeing that after applying the glycerine and gently rubbing the glycerine to the whole body, that after that we are going to dry the whole body of the baby. It's a normal procedure, and always try to keep the baby warm, because whenever the baby is become cold, then he or she may have suffering a lot of problem. And please keep the baby warm. In this video you are seeing the whole procedure that we are going to clean the baby, and always use the sterile or clean cloth or gauze. It may make the baby healthy whenever you